Hey buddy, this is Online Gadgets. Welcome to our channel. Are you looking for the best mechanical pocket watches? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best mechanical pocket watches on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Men's Quartz Pocket Watch. This pocket watch is a surprisingly stylish and affordable accessory that blends classic vintage charm with modern quartz accuracy. The first thing you notice is the elegant black dial, usually paired with white Roman numerals or bold markers. This contrast makes the time very easy to read at a glance. The polished metal case and engraved details give it a premium vintage look, especially for the price range. The included chain feels solid enough for daily use and adds a traditional gentleman-style aesthetic, whether clipped to a waistcoat, belt loop, or suit pocket. Powered by a quartz movement, this watch keeps time very reliably, far better than many mechanical pocket watches in the same budget category. There's no need for winding, which makes it extremely convenient for everyday use. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, classy pocket watch that looks far more expensive than it is, this is a solid choice. It won't compete with luxury mechanical watches, but as a fashion piece or gift item, it performs exceptionally well. And number 2. VIGOROSO Pocket Watch. This VIGOROSO pocket watch stands out as a classic steampunk-inspired timepiece that combines vintage aesthetics with a fully mechanical hand-wound movement. It's designed for people who enjoy traditional watchmaking style rather than modern digital convenience. The watch has a strong old-world copper finish that gives it a rich, antique appearance. The engraved full copper case feels solid in hand and delivers a premium vintage look far above its price range. The VIGOROSO Vintage Copper Pocket Watch is best described as a stylish mechanical fashion piece with authentic vintage character, rather than a professional-grade timekeeping tool. The VIGOROSO Vintage Copper Pocket Watch is a tribute to a bygone era of horology. In a world of smartwatches and digital displays, this piece offers a tactile, mechanical experience. However, to appreciate it, one must understand that it is designed as a fashion statement and a costume accessory rather than a high-precision instrument. And number 3. ManChDa Antique Mechanical Pocket Watches. The ManChDa Lucky Dragon and Phoenix is more than just a timepiece. It is a piece of symbolic art. Featuring a double-cover full hunter design with intricate relief carvings, it is designed to evoke a sense of history, luck, and heritage. The standout feature of this watch is the deep-etched dragon and phoenix motif. Cultural significance. In many cultures, the dragon and phoenix together represent the perfect couple, or the yin and yang, symbolizing harmony, balance, and good fortune. This makes it a deeply meaningful gift for a father or a husband. The lucky aesthetic. The antique bronze/gold finish gives it an excavated, historical look. Unlike plain pocket watches, every millimeter of the ManChDa case is textured with scrollwork and mythical imagery. Double cover, full hunter, both the front and back covers open. This protects the glass while providing a dual viewing experience of the mechanical internals. And number 4. ShoppeWatch Railroad Edition. The ShoppeWatch Railroad Edition is a tribute to the era when pocket watches were precision tools used by conductors to keep trains on schedule. While many modern pocket watches go for flash, this model prioritizes the classic, legible, and industrial look of the 1920s. In the early 20th century, a railroad-grade watch had to meet strict standards for legibility. ShoppeWatch replicates this style perfectly. High contrast. Unlike skeleton watches where the hands can get lost in the gears, this watch features a crisp white dial with bold black numerals. Double denotation. It features large 1 to 12 hour markers and a smaller inner ring for 13 to 24 hour, military/24 hour, time, a hallmark of professional transit watches. Brushed or polished finish. Typically available in cleaner finishes, it avoids the heavy, fake aging seen on cheaper costume pieces, opting for a look that feels well-maintained rather than old. And number 5. Stührling Original Skeleton. The Stührling Original Skeleton is not just a timepiece, it is a piece of mechanical art. While most pocket watches in this category use base metals or alloys, Stührling elevates the experience with high-grade stainless steel and a front and back open heart design that offers a mesmerizing look at the inner workings of the watch. The standout feature of this watch is its skeletonization. Stührling has removed as much of the dial as possible to reveal the gears, springs, and escapement. Dual exhibition, with crystals on both the front and back, you can see right through the movement. Watching the balance wheel oscillate provides a meditative experience that a quartz watch simply cannot match. Engraved movement. The bridges of the movement are often decorated with scrollwork or perlage patterns, catching the light and giving the watch a much more expensive appearance than its price tag suggests. Brigade-style hands. To ensure some level of legibility against the complex background, Stührling typically uses classic, palm, or brigade-style hands, often in a heat-treated blue or deep black.